Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury living, architectural beauty, and timeless design come together to tell unforgettable stories. Today, we bring you an extraordinary home that represents more than just a place to live. It represents ambition, comfort, and the true essence of the American dream. From the very first daytime drone view, this remarkable residence captures attention with its commanding presence. The brownstone exterior reflects strength and warmth, while expansive blue glass windows mirror the sky, filling the home with natural light. Elegant silver accents add a modern edge, perfectly balancing classic luxury with contemporary American design. Surrounded by thoughtfully landscaped grounds, this home offers privacy, prestige, and a powerful first impression. As you approach the entrance, the scale and detail of the architecture immediately set the tone. This is not simply an entryway, it is a statement of confidence and refined taste. Stepping inside, the atmosphere transforms into one of openness and sophistication. The living area flows seamlessly, designed to feel both grand and inviting. Natural daylight highlights the rich brown textures, calming blue tones, and subtle silver details that define the home's interior aesthetic. This living space is where everyday comfort meets elevated design. It's a place for meaningful conversations, quiet moments, and unforgettable gatherings. Nearby, the TV lounge offers a more intimate setting, crafted for relaxation and entertainment. With its balanced color palette and modern layout, it creates the perfect environment to unwind while still maintaining a luxurious feel. The kitchen stands as the heart of the home, where function and beauty come together effortlessly. Rich brown cabinetry adds warmth, blue marble countertops provide a striking visual contrast, and sleek silver appliances bring a sense of modern precision. Every detail has been carefully chosen to transform cooking into an experience rather than a routine. Flowing naturally from the kitchen, the dining area becomes a space where more than meals are shared. It is where stories are told, laughter is heard, and memories are created. Tucked quietly within the home is a peaceful prayer room, designed as a sanctuary away from the outside world. This serene space invites reflection, balance, and calm, reminding us that true luxury is not only about design, but also about peace of mind. It adds a meaningful dimension to the home, blending lifestyle with spirituality. The bedroom continues the narrative of comfort and elegance. Soft natural light filters through large windows, creating a soothing environment that encourages rest and relaxation. The design is refined yet understated, allowing the space to feel personal, calming, and effortlessly luxurious. The bathroom complements this experience with a spa-like atmosphere, featuring premium finishes, modern fixtures, and a layout inspired by five-star hotels. Every detail is crafted to deliver comfort, indulgence, and tranquility. Beyond the living spaces, the home continues to impress. A private gym supports an active and healthy lifestyle, equipped and designed to inspire energy and motivation. The spacious garage reflects power and precision, offering both convenience and style. Step outside, and the experience reaches its peak with a beautifully designed swimming pool. The blue water shimmers under the daylight, surrounded by a refined deck that invites relaxation, entertainment, and unforgettable moments under the open sky. This home is not defined by walls and ceilings alone. It is defined by vision, purpose, and lifestyle. Every corner reflects thoughtful planning, quality craftsmanship, and a commitment to excellence. It is a place where luxury feels natural, comfort feels effortless, and design feels timeless. At American Dream Mansions, we believe that a home should inspire the people who live in it. This property is a true reflection of that belief, a destination for those who value quality, elegance, and the lifestyle they've worked hard to achieve. This is not just a house. This is a statement. This is a lifestyle. This is the American dream brought to life. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more breathtaking homes, inspiring designs, and stories that redefine luxury living in the USA.